Hey everybody, welcome back. Another update on our 3D printed Interceptor, Aventador, whatever you want to call it. We got a lot to cover today, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've been working on these doors and fenders. And we can see that we got door number 2 mounted. So it's on there. The gaps are not as good as they were on the other side, so we're going to have to do something about that at some point. But at any rate, it fits pretty well. The door opens and closes nicely, so I'm not complaining too much. We just want to get this car all one color and painted, and then we can worry about covering up some of the details when we get there. Next thing we have to do is the front fascia and the hood. I think I'm going to do the hood next, so that I can get things all lined up with the fenders and the hood, and then we'll finish up this front fascia, which is also going to be challenging. It's probably going to take me a few weekends to get that one done, but at any rate, we've are moving along pretty good. I got the side skirts pretty much got them set up to be body worked, and then we're gonna get those painted. So I know some people have given me some comments on what color they want to see them, but I'm going to do them whatever I want, and then we'll try it out, and we can always repaint them. Paint's easy. Well, not that easy. As far as the front fenders go, I just finished putting on the coat of white. So obviously you can see we have some boo-boos that we're going to have to fix, but in general, they're looking like the rest of the panels. They look okay. Again, remember, we're not going for showroom quality here. We're just going for a nice look for the car. Eventually, we'll go down that road, but until then, this is what we've got. So they're turning out okay. They'll be fine. And we can do those little touch-ups before we go to any of our car shows this coming summer. Which brings me to another point, which is that we might be at the Denver Auto Show this year, so that would be really cool. So we're gonna plan on getting all of these parts done and then get the car back up and running. We'll take some videos and stuff like that, and then of course you can always see us at the Rock and Roll Car Show that Willie B puts on, which is on the 15th of August this year down at Bandimere Speedway. So if you can, make it down there, come check it out, come check out all the really cool cars. I think Willie's going to be showing off his Charger, so if you can make it, that would be fantastic. The other thing is these window surrounds, which I showed you before. So I've been body working these, getting them ready. I'm just going to shoot them straight black, and then those are going to go on here. They're going to fill this gap down here. And then also make a surround for us to put the windows on. So we're getting pretty close to being able to do that. So, and there we are with the fenders on. So now we can kind of get a better idea of what it's going to look like in white. So I think it turned out okay. The white's a little different on the different panels, but not a whole lot I can do about that right now. So that's what you get when you get different batches of spray can paint. At least it's epoxy paint, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I think it turned out all right. So anyway, that's what we're cooking on. We're trying to push on through and at least get this baby back on the road, so that we can do some videos of it driving up and down the road, and just kind of shake some things out before we actually go to our car shows, so that we're not surprised and we don't have anything break down. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. and comments are always welcome. Keep them constructive, please. Keep the profanity down. Appreciate that too. Then I don't have to block you. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.